after 5 cycles, she's had a baby. She was a congratulations day, but
Good.
husband and the wife are drifting apart.
I guess it's happening. It's happening a lot nowadays, and we are already emphasizing so much, telling everybody that why do we need counselors? Why do we need from the very beginning of the treatment? You
Absolutely.
know,
Counseling. And the second thing, which is very important, is Archika making them both, the husband and the wife, apart together. Because most of the time, you see in the clinics, it is the woman coming, the injections, and she has so much happening, and probably she's not able to process.
exactly, exactly. The thing is when the husband is asking that how much involvement of mine is required. Madam, कितनी involvement चाहिए मेरी? I just told him, Ashima, that sir, not much involvement. I just need you to be with her whenever she's coming to my clinic, whenever she's coming for the treatment. You should be there whenever she's feeling sad or some emotional, stress or something is there. You should be aware of that.
In every IVF clinic, there is a need of a trained counselor, and a trained counselor in fertility treatment. She should be able to understand how the husband and the wife have to navigate. So in today's series, the topic is how to make the couple understand that they both have to stay together through kith and kin, and they have to be making sure that the relationship goes strong and remain strong instead of drifting apart.
But how we are giving information and how beneficial it is.
When we talk about the initial session, let's say a couple has come to the clinic, they have had their initial registration, and as we keep talking about red flags, we have to understand the red flags in the personality and in the relationship of the couple also, right? For example,
Right.
couple might look very connected or very pally with each other, but we'll have to, that may be on the surface level. So we will have to try to understand how their relationship dynamics are.
Yes, we should be able to penetrate their thought process, their relationship
We can do that.
dynamics, and understanding. How much understanding do they have? Are they there for their emotional support? Is there for each other?
My question, how do you think we can make them understand that?
Are they communicating to each other? We have to observe their interaction.
This journey is going to be a long one and a big one. And we need to prepare you both as a couple to stay together, to stick together, so that you both can take it as a project. If you take it as a project, because how we can make the journey of the couple together a beautiful one, and what are the things which should be informed to them when they come. So would you want to play the husband's part?
Let me play a husband. I've seen a lot of husbands cribbing.
Yeah. You are going to be acting as a husband. So hello ma'am and sir, it is nice to have you here. And
Thank you, ma'am.
I know you are starting a journey of fertility treatment wherein a lot is going to happen. There is going to be
Yes, she is going to get the treatment, ma'am. I'm just here
I know,
with
sir.
her.
Absolutely. But without you, this treatment would not mean anything for her also, because you are the integral part, and the child which you want to bring to this world is going to be of both of you. So your involvement at every step of this process.
Ma'am, my involvement is definitely there. I'm paying for the treatment. I'm getting her here. And what else do you need from me? What else can I do?
That's so wonderful, sir. You have come here with her, which means that you care for her, and you also want a baby for yourself. And she is undergoing this treatment. Believe me, sir, this treatment is not going to be very easy, or, it is not going to be a very cakewalk.
Yeah. Doctors were saying something. I didn't get most of the thing when they were discussing. You guys talk in your technical words or some terms or something. But I'm sure that's why we are here with the experts and professionals, So you know what you're doing.
Absolutely.
So it's okay. For me, it's just like theek hai. She's getting treatment, we'll get a child and thing done. I think nothing else beyond that.
कैन आई स्टॉप यू हियर? सर, आपने बोला आपको बहुत सारी चीजें कही गई जो आपको समझ नहीं आई। मुझे ये लगता है सबसे पहले हमें आप दोनों को पूरे प्रोसेस को अच्छी तरह से एक्सप्लेन करने की जरूरत है विद बोथ ऑफ यू, वेयर आई
मैम,
वांट।
हाउ मच टाइम इट विल टेक? कितना और कितना टाइम लगेगा? कितना बैठना पड़ता है?
सर, आपको क्या लगता है जब बच्चा पैदा करने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है? 9 महीना?
मैम, आप मुझसे क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछ रहे हैं? आपके पास आए हैं तो मतलब इट्स आवर जॉब शुड बी गेट डन। वी आर हेयर फॉर अ चाइल्ड।
एब्सोल्युटली। नॉर्मल डिलीवरी में सर, एक नॉर्मल प्रेगनेंसी महीने लगते हैं जब एक लेडी कंसीव करती है। 9 महीने में एक बच्चा आ जाता है। बट हियर इज अ केस, आपका स्पेशल केस है, जहां पे वॉट एवर वी विल हैव ऑल द टेक्निकल डिटेल्स जो आप कह रहे हैं। पहले तो आपको हर चीज को समझना, पूरे प्रोसेस को समझना जरूरी है। हैविंग अ बेबी, हैविंग अ चाइल्ड थ्रू अ फर्टिलिटी ट्रीटमेंट, इट इज गोइंग टू हैव टाइम, नीड टाइम, and for that, sir, you will have to be completely involved with ma'am, because
Ma'am, I'm giving my time, ma'am.
more things which you would like to ask or say before I explain the whole journey to you.
No, ma'am, I think first I should listen to you when you are insisting and saying that we should understand.
Thank you very much, sir, because patience in life, sir, very important for anything in life, whether it is a relationship, a treatment, our job, our business, our work. रसरी आवत जात से सिल पर परत निशान। सर, यू माइट थिंक कि मैं हिंदी का श्लोक सुना रही हूँ, मगर पेशेंस एंड परसिवियरेंस, और इस ट्रीटमेंट में भी सर पेशेंस और परसिवियरेंस की बहुत जरूरत है, बिकॉज इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ लॉट ऑफ ब्यूटिफुल एंड अ लॉट ऑफ सैड मोमेंट्स। सैड बिकॉज आपकी वाइफ के जब हार्मोनल ट्रीटमेंट्स होंगे, उनके बहुत इमोशनल अपहीवल्स होंगे। इसीलिए शुरू से आपको ये समझना कि आप उनके साथ कैसे खड़े रह सकते हैं, उनके साथ कैसे इन्वॉल्व हो सकते हैं, हाउ यू कैन चेक ऑन हर। इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ जर्नी विद perseverance, patience, a lot of emotional support, a lot of involvement. You will have to even stay informed, sir, because your relationship, how important is to you? Your relationship with your wife, how important it is to you?
It is, ma'am, very much important. That is why I'm here, because it is very much important. She is a very big support of my life, and I want to be a support to her. But many times I just get failed to understand. How can I? What should I do? Except that, what should I do? What can I do? So now you are saying that you can explain me and you are going to explain this journey to us. Maybe I'll get a better understanding and insight.
आपने बहुत खूबसूरत बोला that she is a beautiful support. Sir, now is the time where you will have to stand as a support to her, and she will also stand as a complete support to you, because there will be a great need for it. The relationship needs would be a lot more. Understanding will have to happen in a big way, because here your wife will be undergoing a lot of treatments, and as you know, these hormonal treatments which happen, they can bring in a lot of emotional upheavals, physical changes, and a woman may feel very sad and bad, and she would not know how to say. So, one important fact which is very important here is communication. Sir, communication बहुत जरूरी होगा. There should be no communication barrier. The information between both of you should flow well. अगर उनको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है और अगर वो झल्ला रही हैं, आपको लग रहा है कि जबरदस्ती का बहुत ज्यादा झल्ला रही हैं, आप उनके लिए सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, आप पैसा भी खर्च रहे हैं, टाइम भी लगा रहे हैं, सर, आपको थोड़ा सा ये समझना होगा कि ड्यूरिंग दिस ट्रीटमेंट हर फिजिकल सेल्फ, her emotional self, her mental self would be undergoing tremendous change. And this is the real time for your support to her, and vice versa, sir. उनको भी आपको सपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा, मगर इस टाइम पे ज्यादा सपोर्ट की जरूरत उनको है, आपकी वाइफ को है. आई होप आई मेक दैट पॉइंट क्लियर, सर.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving all these information and making me understand. I'll try to do my best. Rest everything. I'll just get back to you if I really don't feel like what should I do and I fail to understand. I'll get back to you.
Very important point, sir. If there is any communication barrier, any communication breakdown, anywhere you feel she's not communicating with you, and you are failing at communication, or she feels, ma'am, if you also feel that you are breaking your communication and you are not able to communicate because your husband is not able to understand or not ready to understand, you will have to come back to us. We'll find ways of doing it, because the relationship communication should not break. This is the time when your relationship would be tested, and you both will have to try to spend time with each other, not just inside this clinic, at your home, at wherever you go. You will have to spend some nice moments understanding each other. There should be no communication barriers, sir, because believe me, if your relationship stays strong, you both are going to much better results. Though the technical knowledge, sir, we want you to understand everything and anything before the entire treatment starts. I hope that makes sense. Points. So the very first point is men should not be sidelined. Second point is that they both should be made to feel equally involved. Third point
Correct.
is it is the counselor's job to make sure that they are being together and we understand their relationship dynamics and help them understand that staying together will help them. And we'll have to tell them to stay involved, stay informed, and stay together. And there should be no communication barrier. Bye-bye, everybody. Take care and hope that
Take
makes
care. See you.
this video makes sense. We are coming up with more.